Hello guys, this is Janaki, pursuing B.Pharm second year from SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, and now we are going to see about artificial intelligence in the double cone blender. Let's see what is artificial intelligence and what is double cone blender and how it works. Okay, moving on the first slide. Artificial intelligence technique is used in various pharmaceutical industries and healthcare business. Artificial intelligence can predict and diagnose disease at a faster rate. Digital therapeutics. It is a high quality software program to prevent, manage, or treat a medical disorder or disease. For example, insulin pumps, blood glucose meter, like that. It is used for the drug discovery and manufacturing also, predictive forecasting, clinical trials, and eye tracking. Artificial intelligence in double cone blender. It consists of two cone-shaped sections for the uniform blending, and it is easily dischargeable. The cone is statistically balanced with protects the gearbox and motor from any excessive load. Powder or material to be blended is inserted into the cone through wide opening. The contact pads are made of SS304 or SS316. It produces a homogeneous solid-solid mixture. This equipment involves axial mixing as the powder moves in different sections. Let's see about what is mixing. Mixing is a process in which two or more components are mixed together and converted into one form, so that every particle of one ingredient lies near as possible to the particle of other ingredients. Three types of mixture called positive mixture, negative mixture, and neutral mixture. First is a positive mixture. It formed from the miscible liquids and gas which mix spontaneously. For example, miscible liquids like milk and water. Negative mixture. The particles will separate unless continuously agitated to keep them dispersed. For example, calamine lotion. Neutral mixture. The components have no tendency to mix spontaneously. Example, paste and ointments. Double cone blender. This is a double cone blender. It is a versatile machine used for the uniform blending of granules and dry powders, and it is made up of stainless steel with capacities ranging from 5 to 500 liters. Principle of double cone blender. Mixing occurs due to the tumbling motion. It is mostly used for the dry powders and granules. This blender provides thorough mixing depending on the speed of rotation. Normally the cycle time is 10 minutes. Depending on the sample, its time can be less. Next. Construction of double cone blender. It is made up of stainless steel. Two cone-shaped sections are attached. The blender body is held by two lateral supports. One of these supports is fitted with the driving motor. This is a simple structure of double cone blender. Working. In double cone blender, 50 to 70% is occupied by the material to be blended. It rotates at 30 rpm speed. The tumbling motion is produced due to mixing. Charging and discharging of the material through the same port only. Let's see about the merits and demerits of double cone blender. Merits. Large quantity of material can be easily handled. It can be easily cleaned and maintained. It can be easily else. Demerits. It is not suitable for ingredients of large particle size. Insufficient shearing force. It requires a large head space for the insulation. And these are the artificial intelligence in double cone blender. Thank you. Have a nice day.